it's Kali. So I will be cosplaying Hoshino from Hoshino Co. this upcoming weekend and I'm super excited. So I got her cosplay from It Costumes. I'll put the link in the description. It is a super wonderful cosplay. I'm loving it. But it did not come with boot covers. So we are going to be making some boot covers and then going from there. They're bright pink, so I bought these little grippy pads for the bottom of the boot covers so I don't slip, because I am going to try doing some dancing and stuff to what I can do. I'm not the greatest of all dancers. I'm not Hoshino, okay? Anyways, I wouldn't want to be. But these will keep my grip on the ground. And then look at how gorgeous this fabric is. It like sparkles. It's gonna look so pretty and it matches with the cosplay really, really well. So yeah, it is 4-way stretch. I think it's scuba fabric. You know, the classic I need something stretchy for cosplay fabric from Joann's. So yeah, let's get started. I am gonna go to the gym first though, so let's get started after I go to the gym. I'm gonna start with the Yaya Han pattern that I used last time for boot covers for Stella. I don't know if this video is gonna be up before or after this, so I'm very sorry about that. Okay. This pattern is my favorite thing ever, because if you guys are a cosplayer and you don't have this, like, of course I'm not paid by her, she's like a celebrity, but it has gloves, it has all of these like boot cover types. It's just honestly so incredibly useful. I'm pretty sure I have it laying on top somewhere here. It really shouldn't be that hard. Yeah, there we go. So this actually fits me really, really well. So I'm going to cut one and then modify it and then cut the other, but I'm gonna use this upper part and then lay them on their side and trace like this, there we go, this shape out. Oh, stuff is flying everywhere. You wanna go hunt? Go hunt the string. Come on. I need to figure out a thread that goes well with this fabric. I think I got rid of the one that did match pretty well because my cats kept eating it. I think I got this for the Caitlyn cosplay, but like, no, I think this is a pretty good match. It's kind of like, okay, maybe it's not the best match, but I think it's better than the purple one. So let's go with that. So I took that pattern from Yaya Han and I used that to trace out like a pattern on my tracing paper, but then I traced my boot at the bottom instead of the default one it gives. Added a seam allowance around my boot shape, cut my fabric with that new paper pattern, and now I'm sewing together around all the edges except the bottom of the heel. Okay, so this left just enough fabric for hemming, so I can just fold it under like this. Okay, I think we got it. This tip needs a little bit more taken in, but it's not bad. Hi, Cloves. Do you want to help me try this on? No, stop. Now all my cats are in here. It feels better than the first one I made. I found the easiest way to put these in the boot cover, kind of like putting on tights if you wear tights, stuffing the toe in first. And then after the toe is stuffed in, then you can pull it all through. I think it'll be ready to turn inside out and hem. Okay, here they are. The dress length is up here, so I'm not too worried about that. The bottoms have padding. You can move and stuff and they won't come down. Alright, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next week. I really enjoy hanging out with everyone here and I'm super grateful for you guys. Bye! He says thank you very much for watching his YouTube channel.